The lawyers cited exceptional circumstances, including grave illness and being with substantial sureties. Sarah Nabikolo is accused jointly with her sister Sandrah Nakungu and a police corporal, Ashraf Jadeni. Prosecution alleges that the three accused are connected to the murder of Kasiwukira and that they have assembled evidence to prove that at the trial. The prosecution further said they will rely on the post-mortem report, the sketch map of the scene of the crime, tape recordings and transcripts and the police statements to prove their case against the three suspects. They faced death by hanging once proved guilty of murdering Kasiwukira. According to the charge sheet, it's alleged that the trio and others still at large on October the 17th, 2014 at Muyenga Diplomat Zone murdered Kasiwukira. Kasiwukira was knocked dead by a speeding car while he was jogging alongside the road on the morning of October 17th near his home in Muyenga, one of the Kampala posh suburbs. A post-mortem report established that the cause of Kasiwukira's death was due to multiple crash injuries. They are expected back in court on Wednesday, the 10th of February 2016.